How to change camera direction in Locket Widget app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, make sure that the application is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store and search for the application Locket Widget. And as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to open and it will lead me to the home page of the Locket Widget app. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you can see, this is the camera direction right now. To change the camera direction in the Locket app, what you have to do is just tap on this icon on the right side of the camera section. Just tap on that and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.